Hi everybody and welcome to Cooking with Caffeinated Coconut. Today I'll be showing you how to make my 15-minute ham, cheese, and tomato croissants. Let's get started. First off, we'll start by cutting the croissants in half. Then we can grab the whole grain mustard, and what we'll do is just spread it along the bottom. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and put aside for now. Now grab some ham from the fridge, fold it in half, and put a piece of Gouda or Swiss cheese on top. You can use as much cheese or ham as you like. Folding the cheese and ham like this makes it easier to assemble later. Now grab a tomato and slice it very thinly. Now it's time to put it all together. You can use as much ham, cheese, and tomato as you like. And do the same for as many croissants as you want. Now put it on a baking tray and let's get ready to toast it in the oven. Toast it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. And watch that cheese melt. And there you have it. Your 15 minutes ham, cheese, and tomato croissant. Serve it with a cup of coffee for a late breakfast or a side salad for a beautiful brunch. Enjoy! Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.